What's the deal, Zod fam? It's your boy Rose Zod. We back with another banger video, man. Cause you know every time we come back with a banger, it's always a banger. Today we have Storm getting a wash today, but I'm not gonna be the one washing her. It's gonna be my boy. I'll go ahead and shout his stuff out whenever we get to him. If he wants to shout it out, I'll shout him out. You know, if he doesn't, then you know we'll just keep that low key type beat. But yeah, Storm is getting a wash because tomorrow we have Bulls and Bagels, and I know we haven't been to Bulls and Bagels in like 2 or 3 months, y'all. So I know I'm pretty excited for Bulls and Bagels. I got some other folks that's excited. We got some other stuff planned Sunday, then we got a big surprise for y'all Monday. So I hope that y'all ready for all of next week and just everything after that, man, because we about to go crazy this 2023 season. Like I said, 2023 is the year where Roto Exotic will be put on the map. Exotic Family will be put on the map. Cause y'all feel me? If y'all been there since day one video, you know what I'm saying? We was in the Camaro chasing down the Chargers and the Mustangs and stuff. Hey, like I was saying, like I really appreciate y'all, bro, because y'all really one of them ones. We all one of them ones together, you know what I'm saying? Actually, you know, we're one of none, you know what I'm saying? It's only one of us, you know what I'm saying, that to ever exist. So we're one of none type, you know what I'm saying? So right now we're on the way to the gas station. I gotta go get some water, you know, me and my Voss water. I gotta go find my Voss water real quick. So we're gonna go and do that for us. Yes, sir. So we're about to arrive now. Downshift. Gotta go in sideways. Gonna go ahead and back it on in. Y'all can use the back of the camera. I'm gonna use the mirror real fast. Just so y'all don't think I'm cheating. Now I'm looking at the camera, that way I'll make sure I don't hit like something like a pole or something like that. Let's go ahead and get this Voss water. Y'all, we had this debate before, but Fiji or Voss? I'm going to stick with Voss water. I'm sorry. It's just too smooth. Should I get two? Nah, it'd be alright. I can get another one later on. We got the bag secured. I had to go ahead and like kind of be quiet in there because folks are just looking weird. I don't know. I mean, it's cool for people to look, but I don't like when people stare at me when I'm talking to my camera. I'm having a conversation with my family, so you know what I'm saying. You gotta treat your family with respect. Y'all gotta, you know what I'm saying. Y'all gotta let me talk to y'all. We about to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get her. Like I said, the smoothest water that I've ever had. Like, this is ridiculous. Y'all got a good detail when it hurt to look at your car. Man, look at that. When the last time y'all seen the wheels that clean? So while they're working on the inside of the Storm, I'm gonna go get them and myself some more fluids. It's real hot outside, and I don't want to pass out, and I don't want them to pass out nothing either. It's hot, you know what I'm saying? Somebody take care of you, gotta take care of them type. You know? Unfortunately, they did not have any kind of Gatorade or water at that. They had like some little whatever you want to call Aquafina, whatever. So we're gonna walk across the street to Exxon. Now that Two Exotic has crossed the road, ooh, we got a different selection this time. So no Vossen, no Fiji. No nothing. I don't even know if they have Life Water. Life Water will be my third after Fiji and Vossen, but Vossen, that's crazy. Off the Voss, but oh man, I don't know. Maybe I'll try Core. I don't know. Smart Water is pretty good too. I like Smart Water. We need to look for the Gatorades. Y'all see the Gatorades? Yeah, I don't see them. They're right here. Silly rabbit. Tricks up the kids, man. Check out the brand new 400Z. That thing was good. Dang. Alright, it's like I'm getting my car washed, making grocery runs, and then I run into a brand new 400Z. Ooh, got road rage too. Still doing it. Wowzers. Don't come to Nashville, y'all. We are not nice. I swear, y'all, we're not. Yeah, y'all, he get me all the way right. He got the seats shining. He got the wheels shining, the tires shining, the body shining, the dash, everything. He went all out. So y'all make sure y'all come show some support. Go check my Instagram story out. Show some support. Because he out here doing his thing. He trying to grind like everybody else. So yeah. Now that we got the car washed and we got everything detailed, that means I will see y'all tomorrow. I think we're just gonna join the video. So we just gonna do it like this. Yeah, so just like that, y'all like transporting places and stuff. So we're here at Lamborghini Nashville. We're gonna buy an automobile hat. We're gonna buy a Lamborghini hat real fast because I don't have a haircut right now, so I don't want to look a little foolish. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's exotic. Got a Rolls Royce Cullinan. Got the STO. And yeah, so we're here at Lamborghini Nashville, Bulls and Bagels. As you can see, they even got it on the screen over there. But yeah, y'all just enjoy this video, man. All right, so we got the hat on. We're gonna get some water real quick. We need some water big time in the morning. I'm not a coffee person at all. I don't drink coffee. However, I will take up on any kind of water. And I need to clear my throat too. I know you can hear it scratchy. The STO rolling in. This one was just bought not too long ago, so I remember it sitting out front like not too long. But yeah. Imagine 2025, right? We in 2025, champ. Not 2023 no more. We in 2025. Too exotic pull up in a GT3 RS, a Huracan or a Ventador type beat, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, oh snap, it's wrong Too Exotic, you know what I'm saying? Cause me and her, we love her. We really do. But it ain't cutting it, champ. It ain't cutting it. So Too Exotic got boss up, ain't that right?
Right, boss up. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Ain't cutting it no more, bro. It could have at some point. It'd be like, ooh, that's nice, but you know, get around all these bougie folk. Bougie folk. Got the man, the myth, the legend. And then we have another STO. I actually like this color though. Look at the way that everything just bounces off the color. That's crazy. That blue off orange is crazy. And they gonna make me cash out on something else. All right, I bought a hat. I might as well just go ahead and buy a Lambo while I'm at it. But this resting area, let me see something. No way they just pulled up with another 4GT. There ain't no way they just pulled up in another 4GT, y'all. Literally, the 4GT just stole the show. Literally, like everybody is migrated over here to this thing. That's crazy. Like we're having F12 pulling in as well. Okay, they got a couple rare cars that came out today. Just a couple. Especially this 4GT. This is ridiculous. We have a Corvette Z06. That thing sounds so nasty. That thing sounds crazy. We have Chandler's Aston Martin Vantage. We got that camo wrapped AMG pulling in. Oh wait, I just realized that's Cannon's AMG. It's just wrapped. I didn't even know he wrapped it. Check that out. That is wild. Yeah, that color, that wrap is on a whole different level. I'm not gonna lie, that camo wrap is on a whole different level. Got the BMW, which is M2. I knew it was. Well, I didn't know. I had a feeling. I had to look at the dash just to clarify with myself. That is crazy. That's crazy. Yo, we have a GT2 RS right here.
What's up, Phil?
That is insane.
I didn't know if they were gonna let a Porsche in here.
That's crazy. Wow. A real GT2. You don't see many of these. Yeah. So, like, I'm becoming a Porsche guy more and more. It's getting a bit ridiculous. Blake, where are you? I can't find Blake. Where are you, dude? He got the drone. He knows what he's doing. I can't find him. I don't know where he is. So now I've officially seen my first 992 GT3. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, it's not my first one. I saw one earlier. Okay, so it's just a GT3. It's not the RS model, but still it looks really good. You guys had a choice. Which Aventador are you taking? Are you taking the Dirty Gold? That's what he calls it, Dirty Gold. So you taking the Dirty Gold, right? Or you taking the Lime Green?
Let me clarify. This is yellow. That's Dirty Gold.
That's what?
That's Dirty Gold. This is yellow.
Dirty Gold. The Technica?
Yeah.
Crazy. That is nowhere near gold.
Dirty Gold.
That's like an army green.
That's a dirty gold. It's gold that needs to be clean. Like fine gold, that's what it's gonna look like.
Rusted gold.
Yeah, rusted. Like, yeah.
Okay, I can see that a little bit with the minerals. Blake. Bro,
No, that's him. That's not Blake.
you don't need you to show yourself. Oh, okay, it's not Blake. Whoops, sorry. Sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, like I was saying, this is what it sounds like when your Lamborghini is getting broken into. Imagine you're at home, you're asleep in your nice house. You can't even hear that. So I think that's pretty hilarious. I mean, it's nice, it's cute, but it's hilarious. It needs to have a presence. So apparently this is off of a SEO. Apparently, look how big that muffler is. It's just like, imagine a simple muffler delete, and it's almost like you're basically like Catalyst, basically, essentially. Where are we eating?
I am hungry.
Where are we eating? Where are we eating? I knew that was gonna make him smile.
By the way, this is outrageous Q. We taking over with a little YouTube video, so you feel back at it. We love the lights on here, so it almost looks hidden, like it's tucked into the car. Everything classified. Even the gas tank. We're wrapping up this trip to this exclusive place to the Lamborghini dealership. And you know, it's been good, man. It's been good. My buddy over there, he's been high. What you doing, dog?
What's up? Cameraman for today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you like that action in here, man?
I like it. I gotta give me a good video.
Ah, yeah. Interview, quick interview real quick.
Yeah. A whole lot of action.
Yeah. I think it's pretty neat here. A lot of bulls. A lot of bulls, man. Ran out of bagels, but still got the bulls.
You wanna get you a camera for yourself?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely have to start getting me a camera. I got me a little channel coming up, and I'm working on it. So you don't have to give me time. But when we get there, we there. You gonna know. Riding in that motherfucking zone. Even the back windows look like they supposed to go down. Look how like even that is. Like everything just perfect about here for no reason. Well, it is a reason. The price tag is definitely a reason. But everything is perfect. Double speakers in the back. I see that. Double speakers. For your birthday? Oh man, which one? Your 50th birthday?
I'm 80. You got 60.
So now we have both the Aventadors leaving out. Yeah. They sound so good. The last time I don't remember the exhaust being loud on Arlo's Huracan. I don't remember it being that loud on the Huracan. He probably just got something done to it. Come on, Miss Lady. That never gets old, y'all. I promise y'all that launch never gets old. They having some what's it called though? Nah, they just always meeting up over here. Oh, bro, that ain't no excuse, bro. You smacked that thing, bro. That was crazy. By the way, she's still looking all good and shiny. Yes, I did turn back around. I'm coming back to get the computer. We got some stuff to look up. I got some research to do, some cars to research, because we got to see what the next Too Exotic car is going to be. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know. I mean, of course, we're still going to like wrap her and everything. But we do need to go ahead and figure out like what the next car is going to be like in the near future, you know, like within a year or so. What would y'all want to see? I'm going to actually put it up as a question on Instagram, so y'all go to the Instagram, make sure y'all go vote. Anyways, we got some Cobras in here. You know how this go, man. Every time we somewhere eating, this is usually where the video ends. This what? My fault, baby. That's usually their job. How you gonna take? Y'all got to horse them and you know what I'm saying. Y'all got to horse them in the comments. Do it. I don't know if y'all seen Shrek or not, but it was this little chubby kid with a lollipop, and he was wanting Shrek to do the roar, his famous roar, the ogre roar, and he like says like, "Do the roar." It's kind of funny. Anyway, but yeah, so usually this is where we end the video at. So if y'all like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next. Y'all be happy to tweak out, bro. But I'll see you in the next one to this video. Go subscribe, Exotic AJ, and subscribe to Exotic. Go subscribe, Curly. So yeah, but yeah, if y'all did like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Lamborghini Automobili, you know what I'm saying? I love y'all, man. Peace out.